um so in this next step, let me show you how to make your deposit and withdrawal to your Huobi global exchange. So um for you to make your deposits, you can see here, you can make your deposit through here, or let me just use the best way for you. Go back to the page of the app, then click on this wallet. When you click on wallet like this, click on wallet. When you click on wallet, if you want to make deposit or withdraw, so you click on deposit. For instance, you want to deposit an asset from another exchange or from another wallet to your Huobi account. So then you search the name of the token you want to deposit. Let's, for instance, I want to deposit USDT from another wallet or another exchange to my Huobi account. Then you click on USDT like this, or search for it, and you click on it. So you can see it shows you that choose deposit network. So these are the network on the UTC to the app. So you make sure that the USDT you have in another exchange or in another wallet, the network that it sees there is the same thing as the network of the address you copy, so that you make your transfer into it. Because if you misuse the network, maybe let's, for instance, the network in that of the wallet or exchange you want to transfer from to this your account, let's say the network is ERC20, and then you come here, then you copy TRC20, you see the address are different. So when you make that transaction, then automatically your money will just go to here, which means you just lose the money. So if you want to make a deposit, you need to be very careful. Make sure that you are using the same network. Let's, for instance, now in the exchange or the wallet you want to transfer USDT to this account, the USDT that is there is TRC20. Then you come to this deposit aspect too, then you click on TRC20, so that the network are the same. You understand? Then that's now when you just copy the address here. When you copy the address, it is copied. Then you now go back to your exchange. You understand? You go back to that exchange or that wallet, and then you paste this address to it, and then you send your USDT in. So you see you are copying TRC20 address. Then you make sure that from that wallet or exchange you want to transfer your USDT to this asset, to this account, is also TRC20. Make sure the network are the same, so that you won't lose your money. You understand? Because failure of making use of the same network, it will lead to you to lose your assets. Yeah, so you can see the minimum deposit is 1 USDT, and the expected arrival is 1 network confirmation. The expected unlock is 1 network expectation. You understand? As I say, please don't deposit any other digital asset except the RC20 USDT to the above address. So make sure that your network are the same. Don't make use of, let's say you are making use of another address. Let's say you are making use of TRC20, then you now copy TRC20, you go and put it in TRC20 address. So you have to make use of different network with that. So if you do that transaction, your money will lose. So if you want to transfer ERC20 like this, so make sure that that asset to in that account, that USDT is also ERC20. The network are the same. Then you proceed with your transaction of your deposit. So that's the aspect for you. So now let's withdrawal aspect. Let's say now, for instance, you want to make withdrawal, and you click on withdraw like this. So that means the asset you have here, you want to withdraw it to another exchange. So then you search for any asset you have here. So let's, for instance, I want to make withdrawal of USDT to another wallet or another exchange. Then you click on USDT, you click on it. So then let's, for instance, the USDT I have here is I have ERC20. Understand? The USDT I have is TRC20. You can make use of anyone. So I want to transfer TRC20 to another wallet or another exchange. So this is the network I'm using, TRC20. Then the wallet or the exchange I want to transfer my asset to, I'll also go there, and then I'll copy the TRC20 or USDT TRC20. Then I'll come here and paste the address. Once I've pasted the address here, the one network, make sure you choose the TRC20 as well. Then you now put your amount you want to transfer in. So the minimum, let's say the minimum here is 2 USDT. So let's for instance you want to transfer like 20 USDT. You understand? I want to transfer like 20 USDT. So you can see the fee there is zero fee. So this is even sweet for you as well in you using Huobi Global, making your deposit and withdrawal, because you making a withdrawal is free of charge, unlike other exchange that charge 1 USDT as a fee. But in Huobi Global, when you are making your withdrawal of USDT, it is free instead of making one charges. So it is free. The minimum to transfer is 2. So when you click here, make sure the address you copy is also the same on the same network with the asset you want to transfer, so that you won't make mistake, as I've said earlier in the deposit aspect. So you now come here, then you click on withdraw. So after you must have put your address, that's now when you click on withdraw and then you proceed. They will send you a verification code to your number or to your Gmail, so that you verify it to be on a safe path, that yes, you are the one making use of you are the one operating the system. Just like the time I explained the centralized and decentralized exchange for you, that centralized exchange it's just like a company whereby your asset is being monitored, and everything you want to use, you'll be in contact with it. That yes, you are the one in charge of it. But in this decentralized exchange, everything there you are the one doing it. So no one is controlling your assets. You are the one. You'll be controlling your assets in decentralized. So centralized is just like a company. They are controlling your assets for you. They are monitoring it for you. Whereby if you want to do any transaction, they will send you code. They will send you OTP code, verification code, all those stuff like that. So that's the difference in that centralized and decentralized exchange as well. So this is the video practical that we haven't covered up for the class. So you guys should make sure you go through it, everything here, and then you watch all what I've sent for the first one, which is orders and the uh, spot trading by using those orders, and then the peer to peer trading, and as well the deposit and withdrawal and using your Huobi Global Exchange.